Good morning from the Bohemian Cyclist. I cannot believe this is the last episode, so the last stage of this mini-series of bikepacking in Czechia. It was such a great journey and we couldn't finish better in this magic cottage where we really enjoyed our time yesterday. We're super tired, but we made the fire, had our sausages, and now we are ready to ride the last stretch, which is from here Telc to Tabor. It's about 90 kilometers again, and actually Tabor is a very special place for me because this is where I met my wife long time ago while cycling from Italy to Norway, and that's the reason why I live here. So on the way there we will cross the Czech Canada. It's a region full of lakes, beautiful, one of my favorite. And we will have breakfast, I think, in Jindrichuv, Hradec, which is another beautiful city, medieval city. So let's go. It doesn't take us long to get to Jindrichuv, Hradec, a town built above a big pond whose surface mirrors the beautiful panorama of the Gothic castle and Renaissance palace. Wonderful mid-morning stop here in Jindrichuv, Hradec. I even found my favorite sweet, which is a brownie. This beautiful place, also recommended on Cesko Okoloand website. Fantastic. Next highlight of the day is Cervena Lhota Castle, a picturesque Renaissance building that stands at the middle of a lake on a rocky island. Just before entering Tabor, we visit Hradec, the goat castle. Master Jan Hus, a great reformer of the Catholic Church, found refuge in the castle after his departure from Prague in 1413 and wrote some of his masterpieces there. And finally, we reach our destination, which is also the ending point of the Cesko Okoloand Central Loop, Tabor. I take Toby for a bike tour of the city, and we even visit the workshop of a famous local artist, Aleš Slavik, who restores old paintings for the Husid Museum and has its own signature masterpieces, painting on old wood. Tabor earned this place in Czech history in the 15th century as home to the most radical wing of the Husid movement. Nowadays, it is a beautiful medieval town, definitely worthy a visit. The 10th stage is in the archives. I cannot believe this adventure is over. Today's stage was about 90 kilometers with 800 meters climbing. I would define it gentle after the other two, and it was really a pleasure. I'm happy it was not a brutal last stage. We made it to Tabor. As I said, it's in my top 3 nice places. I want to thank Toby for pushing so hard. Now we will go back to Prague by train. There is an extra optional loop stage, but maybe another time. I hope you like these 10 episodes about bikepacking in Czechia, and see you for the next loop. And as always, of course, if you enjoyed the episode, like it and
subscribe.
Yes, exactly. Making of the Apple scene. Oh wait.
The clips are slipping. And we.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Ale tam nemáš tu čepici, no.
It's fun. Oh fuck.